This isn't just another tool. It's the AI-powered lead generation solution that's generating real results for businesses just like yours. Even if you're a roofer, a plumber, a painter, a realtor, a house cleaner, barber, therapist. The list goes on and on. I just signed up my 90th business who is using our AI tools, our conversational AI and our AI agent. Huge growth in our business in the last 3 months. AI is here to stay, and it's now having full-on phone conversations with people. You could be selling our AI employee for $97 to $500 a month to small businesses that are too busy to answer every phone call. That's pure profit in your pocket. We have many other services and tools built into In, and many of them have AI integrated now. It's powerful, and it's helping businesses everywhere be more efficient. This AI-powered lead generation tool isn't just hype. It's backed by concrete results.
Check this out!
Hit the like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I will send you the link to check it out. This is just a glimpse of how the tool can transform your business.